వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్. ఈరోజు 10th క్లాస్లోని రియల్ నెంబర్స్లోని ఎక్సైజ్ 1.4ని మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఎక్సైజ్ 1.4 ప్రూవ్ దట్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆర్ ఇర్రేషనల్. ఫస్ట్ సమ్ 1/√2 is a irrational number. Solution. To prove 1/√2 is a irrational. To prove 1/√2 is a irrational. How we prove? See once. Let us assume that 1/√2 is a rational number. What is rational number form? 1/√2 is equal to P by Q. P comma Q belongs to Z and Q not equal to 0. P comma Q are co-primes. What is meaning of co-primes? Their GCD value is 1. These two have no common factors except 1. P and Q are co-primes. So 1/√2 is equal to P by Q. Cross multiplication. Q is equal to √2 into P. There we observe. ఇక్కడ మనం అర్థం చేసుకున్నట్లయితే PQ both are integers. Q not equal to 0. P and Q are co-primes. So Q is equal to √2 into P. There we observe √2 is a what this √2 is a irrational, but Q is a rational. Rational means all integers are rational numbers. There √2 is a irrational into rational always rational. So Q is a irrational. Is an irrational. Which is a contradiction. So our assumption is false. Therefore 1/√2 is a irrational. So 1/√2 is a irrational. Hence proved. Next, second one. To prove √3 plus √5 is an irrational. To prove √3 plus √5 is an irrational. Solution. let us assume that let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. What is meaning of rational number? That is root 3 plus root 5 is equal to p by q, where p, q are co-primes, q not equal to 0, p, q are co-primes, p and q are integers, and q not equal to 0, comma, p, q are co-primes. We observe root 3 plus root 5. Root 3 plus root 5 is equal to p by q. Okay. Here, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Root 3 plus root 5 whole square is equal to p by q whole square. So root 3 plus root 5 whole square means this is a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So root 3 whole square plus root 5 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 5 is equal to p square by q square. What formula using there? A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab అండి. కాబట్టి ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. రూట్ 3 ప్లస్ రూట్ 5 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ p by q whole square. This is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we observe root 2 square get cancelled. 3 plus root 2 square cancel 5 plus 2 into root 3 into root 5, root a into root b, root ab, and root a into b, root ab. So 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. 3 into 5 is equal to p square by q square. These two are add అంటే ఈ రెండింటిని సమ్ చేస్తే మనం 8 అండి. 3 plus 5 8, 2 root 15 equal to p square by q square. So 2 root 15 is equal to p square by q square minus 8. We observe LCM is q square, p square minus 8 q square. 8q square. 2 root 15. So root 15 is equal to, there 2 is multiplying. ఇక్కడ 2 అనేది గుణిస్తుందండి. ఇటువైపు వెళ్తే ఏమైంది? షిఫ్టెడ్ టు రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ డివిజన్. సో p square minus 8q square by 2q square. Here we observe p and q are integers. This is a rational number and their squares also integers. Their difference also integers, and this is irrational. This is rational, which is a contradiction. Root 15 is a irrational. Here p square minus 8q square by 2q square is equal to root 15 is a irrational. Here we observe ఈ వాల్యూ ఇర్రేషనల్ అండి, కానీ మనం తీసుకున్నటువంటి వాల్యూ యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ వాల్యూ ఏమైంది మనకి రేషనల్ అయింది. దిస్ ఈజ్ రేషనల్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇర్రేషనల్, విచ్ ఇస్ ఎ కాంట్రడిక్షన్. which is a contradiction, which is a contradiction. Our assumption is our assumption is false. Our assumption is false. False. Therefore, root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational. Next sum, 6 plus root 2. Third one, 6 plus, to prove 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Is an irrational. Solution. Let us assume that 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. What is that meaning? 6 plus root 2 is equal to p by q. P comma q belongs to z and q not equal to 0. P comma q are co-primes. అంటే ఈ రెండింటికి కామన్గా ఉండేటువంటి ఫ్యాక్టర్ అనేది ఉంది, ఎక్సెప్ట్ 1 తప్ప ఏది కామన్గా ఉండేటువంటి ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఉండదండి. కాబట్టి 6 plus root 2 equal to p by q. There root 2 is equal to p by q minus 6. We observe 6 is integer, p by q are integers. This is rational, this one also rational. Rational minus rational. This is rational, this is irrational. So here root 2 is irrational and p by q minus 6 is a rational. జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే మనం ఒక ఇర్రేషనల్ రూట్ 2 అనే వాల్యూ p by q minus 6 అనే వాల్యూ వచ్చింది. అంటే ఇది ఇర్రేషనల్, ఇది రేషనల్. అంటే ఇర్రేషనల్ రేషనల్కి ఈక్వల్ అయిద్దా? కాదు. విచ్ ఇస్ ఏ కాంట్రడిక్షన్. which is a contradiction. Our assumption is our assumption is false. Therefore 6 plus root 2 is an irrational. So ఇదండి. కాబట్టి 6 plus root 2 is irrational అంటే ఇలాగ మనం ప్రూవ్ చేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ రూట్ 5 ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో రూట్ 2 ఉందండి. రూట్ 2 అండ్ రూట్ 5 ఆర్ సేమ్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, టు ప్రూవ్ root 5 is an irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Solution. Let us assume assume that, let us assume that root 5 is rational. Root 5 is rational. Root 5 is rational. Rational అంటే ఎలా ఉంటుందండి మనకి ఫాము root 5 is equal to p by q where p comma q belongs to z and q not equal to 0. p comma q are co-primes. Co-primes means their GCD value is 1. Co-primes. We observe root 5 is equal to p by q. P by q. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So root 5 whole square is equal to p by q whole square. ఈ రెండు క్యాన్సిల్. సో 5 is equal to p square by q square. q square there division shifted to left side. 5q square is equal to p square. P square. We observe there 5q square is divisible by p square. అంటే ఈ p స్క్వేర్ అనేదాన్ని 5 డివిజిబుల్ చేస్తుంది, q స్క్వేర్ కూడా డివిజిబుల్ చేస్తుంది. హియర్ దేర్ఫోర్ హియర్ p స్క్వేర్ డివైడ్స్ 5. That implies p divides 5. We observe if 5 is divisible by p square అంటే ఈ p square ని 5 డివిజిబుల్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి p ని కూడా డివిజిబుల్ చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి here p square is divisible by divides 5. p divides 5 అంటే there p is written in the form of ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1 అనుకుంటే p is the form of, therefore p is equal to 5 into some ఏదో ఒక వాల్యూ అనుకోవచ్చు అండి. అంటే 5 యొక్క మల్టిపుల్స్లో ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. p is divides 5 అంటే 5 యొక్క మల్టిపుల్ p అన్నమాట. కాబట్టి ఇది ఈ p అనేది 5 ఇంటూ ఎస్ కానీ 5 ఇంటూ క్యూ కానీ ఏదో ఒక వాల్యూ అయి ఉండొచ్చు. దిస్ ఈజ్ 2. Some s belongs to n. S belongs to n. S belongs to n. Here we observe from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. 5q square is equal to p square బదులుగా 5s రాయొచ్చండి. 5s whole square అంటే 5 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 25. 25 s square. 25 s square. ఇక్కడ మనం అర్థం చేసుకున్నట్లయితే 5q square is equal 25 s square అండి. 5 1s 5 5s అంటే q square is equal to 5 s square. 5 s square. 5 s square. Here q square divides 5. That implies q divides 5. Q divides 5. Here we observe p divides 5, q divides 5. this is some small a, this is some small b. From a and b, small a and small b, from small a and small b, we observe p divides 5, q divides 5. From a and b, p comma q, p comma q have common factor 5. Actually p comma q have co-primes అండి. ఇక్కడేంటి కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 5 అని వచ్చింది, which is a contradiction. Which is a contradiction. Our assumption is false. Therefore root 5 is an irrational. We observe అండి, ఇక్కడ 5 రూట్ 5 అనేది ఇర్రేషనల్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయమన్నాడు. మనం రేషనల్ అని తీసుకొని అది ఇర్రేషనల్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాం. కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ సమ్ చూద్దాం. 5th సమ్. నెక్స్ట్ 5th సమ్ చూద్దాం. Three plus 2 root 5 to prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational. Irrational. Solution. Let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational. Rational number. So it is 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to p by q. P comma q belongs to z and q not equal to 0, comma p comma q are co-primes. We observe 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Rational number form p by q, p comma q belongs to z and q not equal to 0. Okay. We observe 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to p by q. ఇక్కడ 2 root 5 is equal to ఇక్కడ 3 is added. Shifted to right hand side, subtraction. P by q minus 3. So LCM is q, p minus 3q. 2 root 5. So root 5 is equal to p minus 3q by 2 is there multiplying, shifted to right hand side, division and 2 root 2 cube. Here we observe LHS value is root 5. LHS is equal to root 5 is irrational. And RHS value, RHS is P minus 3q by 2q is a rational. We observe this is irrational, this is rational, but they are equal, which is a contradiction. Which is a contradiction. So our assumption is false. Our assumption is false. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, next last sum, second Roman, one sum only. Prove that root p plus root q is irrational, where p comma q are primes. Solution. Here we observe only root p plus root q is irrational, where p comma q are primes. What is meaning of primes? Their GCD value is 1. Okay, let us assume that root p plus root q is equal to is a rational, that is root p plus root q is equal to a by b, a comma b belongs to z and b not equal to 0. P comma q, here a comma b are co-primes. A comma b are co-primes. This is a rational number definition. Root p plus root q is equal to a by b. A by b అనేటువంటి ఫార్ములాలో ఉంటుంది. A b are integers and b not equal to 0. A comma b are co-primes. We observe there root p plus root q is equal to a by b. Squaring on both sides. Both sides. Root p plus root q whole square is equal to a by b whole square. This is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square. A square means root p square plus root q square plus 2 into root p into root q is equal to a square by b square. Square root get cancelled. So here p plus q ప్లస్ 2 ఇంటూ రూట్ పీ ఇంటూ రూట్ క్యూ రూట్ పీ క్యూ అండి. రూట్ ఏ ఇంటూ రూట్ బి రూట్ ఏబి. సో దే ఆర్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ బై బి స్క్వేర్. సో 2 root pq is equal to a square by b square, their value minus p plus q, p plus q. Their positive and shifted to right hand side, negative came. So their LCM is b square, a square minus b square into p plus q, p plus q, 2 root pq. We observe that 2 is multiplying, shifted to right hand side, division. So root of pq is equal to a square minus b square into p plus q by 2b square. Here LHS root pq. Root pq is a irrational. RHS లో ఉన్నటువంటి వాల్యూ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ పి ప్లస్ క్యూ బై 2b స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఏ రేషనల్. We observe this is a irrational, this is a rational. They are equal, which is a contradiction. Our assumption is false. So here, which is a contradiction, which is a contradiction. Our assumption is false. Therefore root p plus root q is irrational number. సో ఇలా మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయొచ్చు.